Yamaha is set to unveil the Lander XTZ 250 in India. Currently manufactured in Brazil and sold in various global markets, the Lander 250 is Yamaha's entry-level dual-sport motorcycle. The Lander showcases a slim and purposeful design with modern touches, including a center-mounted projector LED headlamp. Its tall front fender, large fuel tank extensions, and single-piece upswept exhaust contribute to the bike's adventurous look. Under the hood, the Lander 250 is powered by a 249cc single-cylinder engine that delivers 20.5 brake horsepower and 20.6 Nm of torque. This engine is mated to a 5-speed gearbox and sits within a sturdy double cradle frame. Notably, this engine is the same unit found in the FZ25, offering proven reliability and performance. For suspension, the Lander 250 features telescopic front forks with 220 mm of travel and a Monoshock rear with 204 mm of travel, designed to tackle a wide range of terrains. Braking duties are handled by a 245 mm front disc and a 203 mm rear disc, with the added safety of ABS. The bike runs on 21-inch front and 18-inch rear wire-spoked rims, wrapped in 80/90 and 120/80 tires, with a ground clearance of 240 mm further enhancing its off-road capabilities. The bike's LCD instrument cluster not only provides essential riding information but also supports smartphone connectivity, offering added convenience for riders. With a wet weight of 156 kilograms and a fuel capacity of 13.6 liters, the Lander 250 promises a balanced combination of endurance and performance for long rides. Its seat height is set at a towering 875 mm, ensuring a commanding ride for off-roading. With the launch of the Yamaha Lander XTZ 250, the brand aims to bring a versatile and adventure-ready motorcycle